So, you just got the brand new iPad Air 5 with the M1 chip, and now you're in the market for finding some protection for your shiny new investment. There are thousands of options on Amazon or eBay, but for those that prefer a first-party accessory straight from Apple, then you've come to the right place. The iPad Folio covers have been extremely popular ever since they were first released. They're a simple accessory that does its job well. However, one must first get over the hefty price tag. With these folios coming in at $79 a pop, are these Smart Folio covers worth looking into? I'll give you my thoughts towards the end, but the purpose of this video is primarily to showcase the all-new colors that are available to combine with the all-new iPad Air 5 that was also refreshed with a couple new colors. Some of these combinations are extremely slick, especially on the gorgeous new blue iPad Air 5, which is the one I have to showcase in this video. If you want to see a more in-depth review focusing on the uses and features of the Smart Folios, click the card at the top right or click the link in the video description down below. This one's gonna be a quick one, so without further ado, let's roll that intro. Alright, iPad enthusiasts, you got your iPad and now it's time to give it some armor to absorb the shock in the event of a drop. The good thing is, these offer both front and back protection, leaving only 3 of the 4 sides exposed. And while the layer of material is quite thin, it should still provide ample protection from reasonable drops. Just don't expect this case to serve extreme protection like other full body cases do, such as the OtterBox Defender series or something else like that. 3 new colors join the already existing lineup of Smart Folios for the iPad Air, for a total of 8 interesting and lively colors to choose from to pair up with your all-new device. The 3 new colors are Marine Blue, English Lavender, and Dark Cherry. Let's look at English Lavender first. English Lavender is a color that is very calming and neutral. It looks stunning on the blue iPad, but because it's not super lively and bright, it should pair up quite well regardless of what color iPad you might have. English Lavender is by no means an all-new color for Apple. Actually, it was previously released on some bands for the Apple Watch, so if you have that band and want to appear like a total Apple snob while sipping your iced macchiato at Starbucks, then I mean, hey, be my guest. Up next is Dark Cherry, and this color is so beautiful in my opinion. I personally dig darker burgundy colors, but Dark Cherry adds just an extra amount of blacks to create a soothing yet really dark and sleek color option that also pairs up extremely well with the blue iPad. Something about that dark wine color against the livelier blue aluminum truly makes this setup stand out. This dark cherry color is also a color that was previously seen on the iPhone cases, the Apple Watch bands, and now finally made its way onto the Smart Folios for the iPad Air 5. And I'm not surprised. It's a gorgeous color and is a color that many people will enjoy. And last but not least, our last of the new colors for the iPad Air 5 new folio cases, we have Marine Blue. A good twist on the typical blue release. This new Marine Blue actually has some turquoise in there, also small hints of greener hues mixed in with a majority deep sea blue color that really complements so well against the blue iPad Air Gen 5. I mean, just look at how well these two pair up. It's like they're destined to be together. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is a brand new color that is not currently available on the iPhone cases, and I want to say this color is yet to be found on the Apple Watch line either, which makes it a very refreshing color that goes well with any color iPad. I personally love these folios. I especially like to prop up the iPad to consume content like Hulu or Netflix, and then you can quickly flip it on its side and use it as a stand that creates an angle so that you can type directly on the iPad a little better. This is all thanks to the trifold design on the front and the microfiber material that caresses and protects that gorgeous 10.9-inch liquid retina display is crucial. But would I say it's worth $79? Probably not. If this were priced more around the $40 range, then I would give the Folio line a strong recommend to just about everyone. But even then, when forking over at a minimum $600 plus, it would be wise to invest in some protection, right? In any case, I do enjoy the Smart Folios and I personally think they are worth it. And now with the lively new blue iPad, you have even more options to choose from. But what do you guys think? If you have an iPad, have you ever owned one of these Smart Folios? And if so, are you a fan of them? Let me know your thoughts down below and stay tuned for my infamous battery drain test that I'm about to work on. So it's interesting to see whether the M1 allows the mighty Air to be the new battery king. And the only way to not miss out on any of that nice juicy battery drain test action is by clicking that red subscribe button with the bells down below. Did you do it? Don't worry, we'll wait for you. Oh, you've done it, yeah? Awesome. All right, hope you guys found this video useful. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to catch you all in my next video.